Hey, we have actually... Okay, Ali. Jalan.
Totoo nyo ba to?
Who are?
Alison.
Allison. Ryan. Kunti na lang namin.
Chumdepsuat. Hello, this is the not. Hello, namaste. Hello.
Hello, Feliz Navidad.
Hello, please na tao. Hi, hi ka. Hi, masa mo.
Hi! Merry Christmas! Nakapagluto ako sa door.
Hello, good evening. Hi. When I say hi, you say hello. Hi. Hello. When I say hello, you say hi. Hello. Hi. Wow, very good. So, without further ado, I want to welcome all of you, Filipinos, non-Filipinos, Filipinos by heart. Welcome to our Christmas party, and thank you for coming all the way here to Global Village Community Center.
My name is Al. I'm the current president of FAST. FAST means the Association of Filipino Scholars in Japan. So welcome to our tonight's FASTKong Pinoy. And thank you everyone. Merry Christmas. Maligayang Pasko.
This game is very new. 4 picks, 1 word. Okay? First like this. Okay? Come on. Okay? Okay. So, Kausan gets parol. Okay, let's check if this is correct. Okay, the trivia, parol is a Filipino Christmas lantern. And it's like the fire that I think it's full of medium spice for the word, and it's going to be home as this, so good will and light will recognize. Okay, Belen is the correct answer. Okay, so Belen, we present the activities here. By the way, it's nice. So if you have to sign the everyone out, where is the board? You don't need the video of that. I'm not that. 10 letters. 9 letters. Okay. Okay. Okay, go. No? Okay, Belen. Okay, next.
not everything in Filipino can be translated in English.
FAST, okay? But of course, this will be like a long journey. Okay, are you excited? Our first ball, N33, N33. Wow. Oh, 33. Okay, so we have 73. 073. Pagkikaw na. Okay, you get one here. I17. Oh, baliktaran. Alam niyo. 69. Oh, 69. That's my number. Lucky number. Oh, Jen. Talagang ayun ang number mo, ha? Wow! DTA representative, let me check.
Wait, paki-check. Hindi ako sure.
Ha? N31? Wala?
Hindi ako sure, ah.
Wala? Wala? Wala pa. Boy! Wala, N31. No! N44. N44. N31. N31.
So, sa'yo.
Number 2.
Paki-check na. Hindi ako sure.
Sabi sa'yo kanina na yung again, Ali Boy. E. Okay. Representative, please check. So we have our first winner for T. Photo. Let's have a photo. Okay, we have a contender for S. Okay. Okay, we have a winner for F. F. For F. Okay, we still have for A and S. Okay, very good. You're listening. Love it. Okay, photo. Chloe. B. 1. B. Blackout. Okay, so now let our guests start.
Alright? You have your places? Okay. Ngayon. Now. Oh, give me a number from 1 to 5.
4.
Oh. Pili ka left or right?
Right.
Right. Oh, let's move it to the right, ha? 4 times. Wait lang. 1. 1 pa lang. 2. 3. 4. Ano pa lang siya pa? Okay. Miss. 7. 1 to 5.
Not listening.
4. Pili ka left or right? Left. Pwede mo na lang. Right. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, Brian, give me a number from 1 to 5. 5. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does everyone have a different? Oh, wait, one more round. Miss Jalan. 1 to 8. Oh, pili ka 1 to 8.
1 to 35.
To the left. Okay, the next go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Wow! Thank you, Ilham. Coming from Timor. Yeah. Coming from.
Okay, we
That is
now name our
research, by the way.
seats because Sir Al once again has a very important announcement. Thank you so much, guys, for listening and following instructions. If you are not satisfied with your gifts, go to the offices.
Announcement of the next set of officers of FAST. Nominees for Public Information Officer or PIO. Okay, so the next PIO is Mary Addison Lee. When I call you, please step forward. Stay here. For Business Manager, the new Business Manager, Ryan Christian Dito. For Auditor, Joanne. So, sorry, Joanne is not here. And then for Treasurer, and the new Treasurer is, okay, it's not here, but, and the new Secretary is? Chloe. Graciela Maxine Chloe Versoda. Come here, Chloe. Vice President External is, so she's not here, but Judy. Emery Domanda. And the new Vice President Employee. Okay, so Jedediah Mamuma. It was a cat fight. It was a battle between the birds. So that means the next president will be a woman. The next president of FAST is...
First of all po, thank you so much sa nag-nominate sa akin. Kung sino man po kayo. I think that this is not gonna be a hard job or whatever. Because I think that this is not, although this is a big responsibility, but I don't think that it's gonna be hard because all of you will be here supporting each other, supporting us. So, thank you so much po, and thank you so much po for the trust. And I hope and looking forward na mas magkaroon pa tayo ng mas English pala. Anyway, I look forward to work with you all, and that is all. Thank you so much.